Marianne here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have one of the most luxurious sedans that Mercedes Benz has ever made. It is a 2007 Mercedes Benz S600, which is finished in the perfect 040 black with the lovely tinted windows and the black interior, as you can see, with the stunning wood grain. Absolutely perfect. You have the Alcantara headliner and of course your panorama roof. This is basically a limousine, and I can tell you it rides exactly like you are in one. This car is a one owner, and you can see they upgraded the wheels here. I love these wheels. They're awesome. I believe they're about 20 inches. And here in the front, just beautiful. You have the Distronic Plus in this vehicle, which means that it's going to keep the distance between you and the person in front of you when your cruise control is on. Also, you have all the bells and whistles, which I'll touch on during the test drive, such as night vision and things such as that. Obviously, we have a V12 engine. This is a 5.5 liter, and it produces 510 ridiculous amounts of horsepower. In 2007, this would have been the Corvette, the 2007 Corvette, along with the 911 Porsche, because that's how powerful this engine is. So not only do you have a luxurious sedan, but you also have one of the fastest sports cars out there. But it's one of those little hidden gems that a lot of people don't know about. There's your Vossen wheels. Like I said, you have the upgraded wheels and your nice Michelin tires as well. The nice chrome silver accents here on the passenger side. Once again, just so perfect. The wood grain looks like it's never been touched. It's absolutely beautiful. You have everything from the heated, the cooled seats, the memories 1, 2, and 3. We have both keys, obviously. And in the back, not only is your front passenger treated like royalty, so are those who sit in the back. You do have access to change the seating for yourselves as well. Right here, you can see that as an option, along with your heated and your cooled seats. You have sunshades for the passenger side and the back, their windows, and the back window, which I'll show you during the test drive. And they can also move not only their seats, but the sunshades on their own, and operate both of the windows there. Definitely an awesome car. You feel like royalty when you are on the inside of this car, and I believe that you deserve it, because that's exactly the way it feels. Once again, the awesome tires and wheels. We do have dual exhaust, backup camera, plenty of trunk space, so you can see. And it is an automatic closing trunk as well. So all you do is press the button and it closes. Keyless entry, keyless go. 67,868 miles on the odometer. Once again, this is a one owner vehicle. I'm going to show you the backup camera. It is getting dark here as well, so it's something you have to keep in mind. There you go. Service is not required because we do service and inspect all of our vehicles. These cars are ready to go, and here's your V12 in case you didn't feel it when you're going 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds in this car, and you need a reminder that you are driving a V12 Beast. There it is right in front of you on your wood grain. You have your multi-contour seats, and the lumbar support, your navigation, your Bluetooth. Like I said before, the Distronic Plus is in this vehicle. The night vision is not going to allow me to show you right now, but I will add a short little clip of that once it does get dark, and that way you're able to see it. I mentioned the Alcantara pristine headliner, absolutely beautiful. It really makes a big difference in these cars to have that. You can see right here we have There's also mirrors in the back for the passengers. Like I said, the passengers in the back are treated exactly the same as the one in the front, and that is a big deal because, like I said, it's like a limousine, and really I feel as though you should be a passenger in this car and certainly not the driver. And I am going to step on it just a little bit. Oh my gosh. I really mean just a little bit. Like, I barely stepped on the gas. That's how powerful this engine is. It's unbelievable. It's something you must experience. Most of you have probably never ever driven a car with this kind of power. And it is, I believe, about 5,000 pounds. So with I believe it's 600 foot-pounds of torque.
More than 600, yeah, 630 or 620.
Yeah,
I believe,
and
yeah.
at about 5,000 pounds, this car moves. It's awesome. There's really no way to describe it unless you experience it. If you're interested in this car, please give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com. And again, it is 239-263-8500. Sorry, the air conditioning was so loud.
Probably we have the noise now.
I'm so sorry. That's because it's still in the 70s here at 6:18 at night. So anyhow, 239-263-8500. Follow me on Snapchat. You can see sneak peeks of projects we're doing, the fun things that we do throughout the day, sort of a day in the life at Autohaus. So my name's Marianne, and I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the night vision on this car. Basically, it turns the speedometer into a night vision camera, and you can see there, it's probably not as clear on the video as it is in real life, but it gives you this awesome view with the night vision. Your own eyes cannot see what you can see on the speedometer there.